In this video, I'll show you how to make VS Code run faster. Step 1. Open Settings by pressing Ctrl+. Then search for Render Line Highlight and change it to None to reduce visual processing. Step 2. Search for Cursor Blinking and set it to Solid to stop unnecessary animations. Step 3. Go to Extensions, review all installed items and disable any extension that you haven't used in the past month. Step 4. Search for File Exclude and add folders like Node modules and dist to stop watching too many files. Step 5. Restart your VS Code to apply all changes and you should now feel the performance improvements. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe,